Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I'm Jermaine Ryan. And it has been fun. It has been fun and actually quite relaxing. Just rocking my natural hair as is. And remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below in the description box. And sometimes in the end cards for you to watch after this one. So it's been out. I have recently had it in a puff a couple of days, you know, cause Zoom meetings, and I can't not like this. So yeah, in a nice soft natural puff. And now that it feels like those puffs weren't a really good idea and my ends are now feeling all good and tangled, it's time for me to wash. No, I have not gotten my trim yet, but it's coming. Trust it is coming. So I'm going to be getting into some of the new products. If you saw my reveal video, then you would have seen my entire stash. So for this week, I am aiming for Shine. I am aiming for
blinding light.
I'm aiming for
Shine like the top of the Chrysler building.
So to help me achieve that is going to be the Curlsmith. So these are the trial sizes, and this is the fragrance-free from the Shine recipe. First of all, it's Curlsmith, so we know that it is formulated very, very well. These are vegan, they are cruelty-free, color-safe. Specifically with this line, as much as I love smells, this is a fragrance-free line, so definitely geared toward those that have more sensitive scalps. In addition to that, it does not have sulfates, perfumes, or silicones in it. So for the first half, I'm going to give my first impressions of the fragrance-free Shine shampoo and the fragrance-free Shine conditioner. So an ingredient that generally helps with Shine is lemon. Anytime you find something that says Shine in it, flip it on the back. Look at the ingredients and see if there's some type of lemon something in there. And with the Shine recipe line, they do have lemon extract along with jasmine extract and hops. I have to look up hops. I don't know what that is. I'll probably have something linked down below in the description box. From what it says, those are the things I'm going to add to the Shine. So I'm going to hop in the shower, review the shampoo, review the conditioner. We'll both look at it together. We'll talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it, and see how shiny my hair is with just after the shampoo and the conditioner. All right, let's let's go. Hey, it's me. All right, hair is good and saturated with water. Let's go ahead and wash. It says right on the front that it is light foaming, so thank you for letting me know what to expect ahead of time. And consistency, ooh, that's nice and amber colored. Kind of definitely getting the best. And no fragrance, no essential oils, so it doesn't smell like anything. Like anything. The rest. Okay, hair is good and it is rinsed out. Am I seeing the shine already? Well, it's wet and that is helping it. So now, time to apply the Shine conditioner. Now, one thing I do like with the 4 products that I got out of this line is that everything says apply generously to soaking wet hair. Love it.
Every second of it. Every second of it.
Since I do my entire wash day completely in the shower, it's nice to not have to step out and towel dry or get my hair damp. Just wet. Make it all wet. Alright, so soaking wet hair after shampooing, focus on the lengths and ends, gently brush to get rid of knots, leave on to 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse. Sweet. And it's got some really nice butters in here like Babasu and Moo and Shea. And consistency. Oh, that looked like lotion. If I were going to, oh, that's on the thick side. And if I was gonna compare this to a lotion, I actually was not expecting that. Normal to dry, because it's super creamy, but there's a bit of thickness to it as well. And hold on. It doesn't really smell like anything, it just smells like ingredients mixed. Yeah. right, so I let the conditioner sit on my hair for about 6 minutes since I am on the drier hair side. I needed 6 minutes. I needed more than 1 to 2, but as you can see, my hair is very light, very fluffy. And now let's talk about what the shampoo and the conditioner said, what they did, and if there's anything that I need from them. So starting with the shampoo, it says that this is going to be light foaming, says that it's going to be gentle, says that it's going to melt away dirt and build up and leave the hair returning to its natural shine and vibrancy. I think it did all of those things. It definitely is a gentle shampoo. It gave me a cute little bubble, but it wasn't like foam party type of foam, but it was a cute little bubble. And that's what it said that it was going to do. Yes, I think it is very gentle. My hair definitely feels clean. My scalp definitely feels clean. You tell me if it looks shiny. It's still wet, but I think that it did everything that it said that it was going to do. I like it for a gentle cleanser. And as far as the fragrance tree part, it just smells like ingredients mixed together. Like everything has a smell, unless you got COVID. I'm not making light of it. It just smells plain. There's a smell, but it's not a smell. Onto the conditioner. Per the site says that it is lightweight, that is going to boost vibrancy and shine, and that it's going to make the hair smooth and silky. And with the entire line, everything says that it is for all hair textures and that it is for all porosity. So basically, everybody can use it. In addition, it says it is going to soften the strands and rich in moisture. So lightweight, yes, very, very lightweight. My hair has a light moisturized feeling to it. As you can see, it is definitely light and fluffy. It is not weighed down at all, which I think also ties into the shampoo, getting stuff out of my hair, even though I didn't have a whole lot of stuff in my hair in the first place. The hair definitely feels smooth when I was rinsing the conditioner out, and I was just making sure that my roots were getting wet. And then when I was sliding my fingers through, they were just, even still, just gliding, just light and easy. So yes, as far as the detangling portion of it goes, it was pretty good. I think that it was better with finger detangling, but it did really good with my Felicia Leatherwood also. And I mean, we're talking multiple textures here. We're also talking loose natural hair that has been just doing whatever. So yeah, pretty good to get through this mess.
Ain't the truth?
So overall, I would say that from both the shampoo and both the shine conditioner, I don't need anything from them. I think that they did everything that they said that they were going to do. And this is also just really good for folks that do have sensitive scalps, that maybe sometimes the essential oils can irritate it, that you have a nice, well-formulated, fragrance-free options. So let me know in the comments section down below if you have used the Curlsmith fragrance-free Shine Recipe line between the shampoo and the conditioner. Did they do everything for you that they said that they were going to do? All right. This is for my people, my sensitive people. What? This is for my people, my gentle scalp people. Come on. Come on. Get down. Let it get on down. Come on. I'll make sure that you like this video. Press the red subscribe button. I am sharing things for all the people. I need the people to have the things that they need. Feel free to share this out as somebody else may want to know how the fragrance-free Shine line from Curlsmith works. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. Stay tuned for the styling portion of it. And I'll see you in the next one.